In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Afterpay on your Stripe account. If you're running an online business, providing flexible payment options can significantly enhance customer satisfaction and even boost sales. Afterpay allows your customers to buy now and pay later, which can be particularly attractive to those who might need a little financial flexibility. Let's dive right in. First, you're going to need to navigate to the Stripe website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Simply head over to the home page. If you don't have a Stripe account yet, you'll need to create one by following their straightforward sign-up process. Once you're all set up or logged in, it's time to move on to the next step. Now that you're logged into Stripe, the next thing you'll want to do is find your way to the Settings menu. It's typically located in the dashboard sidebar, which you can access immediately after logging in. Once you're in the settings, look for the section labeled Payments. This is where you can manage all the payment methods available to your customers. Click on it to open a more detailed menu. At this point, you'll see another option that says Payment Methods. Click on that as well, and it should bring up a list of potential payment methods that you can offer. Here, you'll need to scroll through the list until you find Afterpay. The list may be quite extensive, especially if you're offering numerous payment options, so take your time to ensure you don't skip it. Once you find Afterpay, it's as simple as clicking the Turn On button to enable it. This makes Afterpay available as a payment option for your customers. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully enabled Afterpay on your Stripe account, making it an available payment method for your online store. By offering Afterpay, you give your customers the flexibility they might be looking for, allowing them to pay for their purchases over time. This can be particularly appealing to those who prefer to manage their cash flow carefully. Before closing out, it's always a good idea to test to make sure everything is working correctly. Head over to your online store and run a test transaction to verify that Afterpay shows up as an option at checkout. It's an important step to ensure a smooth experience for your customers. There you have it. Enabling Afterpay can be a great way to attract more customers and potentially increase sales. It's all about making the shopping experience as convenient as possible. Thank you for watching, and feel free to check out our other guides for more helpful tips. Happy selling!